this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add Google Search to your Android tablet. So this is very easy on the home screen. Just hold down and you'll get the home screen little options here on the bottom. We can just go to Widgets. Now we want to find Google. So we might see Chrome. Chrome might have an option for search. You can use that one too if you want. That'll work. Otherwise we can go down to Google. And then there should be an option for Google Search right here. We can just tap it, and then we can add it to the home screen. I think there's an option to drag it because it annoys me. It doesn't go across the entire screen. So we can just put it there and go to Done. And we have Google Search on here. If I could resize this, it'd be wonderful, but I don't think I can with this one. So you can just decide where you want it. Otherwise, we can try maybe going to Chrome. So here's Chrome. Maybe go to this search right here. So this one's got a voice icon, so let's try this one. This one's a little bit smaller, but it does the same thing. I can't make it bigger. So we can just go to Done now. And here's our two different widgets. Both of them will be pretty much the same thing. Oh, there we go. I had the option to make it a little bit bigger. So let's go to it. I just hold down on it. There we go. I'm going to do it across the entire screen. See if I can do this one. Yes, I can. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.